Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing us how to make this beautiful flowered ball dress. So first off, I'll be drafting the basic bodice block. So I have a comprehensive video on how to draft a basic bodice block, so do well to check it out and enjoy the video. So using our basic bodice block, from here I'll come down by 1 inch. I'll cut it in a fold. Here I'll add a 1/4 inch seam allowance. At the side here, 1.5 inch seam allowance. Here I have the reverse part, 1/2 inch seam allowance. This is the front, so I'll cut this one from this. So I have cut my front part with the lining. I also cut my yoke. I cut it in 2 pieces, and I have my back and also the lining of the back. So I am turning the yoke, and I have a video on how to make a ball dress with yoke. This process is well explained in details in that video, so do well to check it out. After sewing my yoke, I'll notch it at the center and do the same for the other parts of the upper bodice. I match the midpoint of both the yoke and the upper bodice together and secure with a pin. So I go ahead to place my lining over like so. And I'll be stitching it straight down using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So I'll be notching it carefully so that it can lay down flat, after which I'll top stitch and afterwards I'll give it a very good ironing. I will also go ahead to sew my armhole using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So for my back, I'll leave 1.5 inch zip allowance, and after which I'll sew the rest of the neck. So I will sew my armhole using 1/2 inch sewing allowance, after which I will notch it. So I'll be doing the same thing for the second back piece. So I want to join my front bodice with the yoke. I want to join it to the back, and I'll be joining it from the shoulder like so. So I go ahead to attach my flowers using my hot glue gun. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to leave me a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.